Welcome to my channel. I'm Scott, and in this video I'm going to walk you through the process of valuing Lassonde stock so we can determine if it's a buy or a sell. Lassonde is a Canadian food and drink company with operations throughout North America. It manufactures and markets fruit juice, vegetable juice, sauces, soups, pesto, pizza, and much more. They also import wine from various countries. The company is headquartered in Rougemont, Quebec, Canada, and was founded in 1918. Let's get started with the model. This is a small cap company, 661 million market cap. They're trading at $100 a share, and they have 7 million shares outstanding. We'll look at the ticker that trades on the TSX, so all the numbers in this video are in Canadian dollars. Let's look at their financials. The way you value a company is you estimate the free cash flows into the future, and then you discount those numbers back to today's value. That's what we're doing in this video. And free cash flow is cash flow from operations minus capital expenditures. They did have a lot of free cash flow in 2019, 190 million. It dropped to 56 million in 2020. Their sales increased in 2021, but they had negative free cash flow, and it's even worse in the trailing 12 months. They're investing a lot back into their business in the form of CapEx. So they're trying to grow and scale their business. The idea is the investment in CapEx will lead to greater growth in the future. Net income is the profit or loss on the income statement. It's revenue minus expenses. That's positive each year, 100 million in 2019, down to 65 million in the trailing 12 months. Revenue is a sales for the company, and that's pretty steady between 1.9 billion and 2.2 billion. Let's look at the capital structure. 877 million of equity, 250 million of debt. They're 78% equity, 22% debt. Their net debt is 250 million. And their WACC is 9.5%, and that's a discount rate we're going to apply to the future cash flows. We estimated 4 years of future free cash flows. We also estimated the terminal value, which is all cash flows past year 4, that's 1 billion. We discounted those numbers back to today using the weighted average cost of capital. We get a value of the company of $850 million. We divide that by 7 million shares. And we get a calculated stock price of 125. They're trading at 97, so they're trading at a 23% discount. It's a buy according to the model. The website Simply Wall Street values the company at 63. They're saying it's 56% overvalued. They pay a quarterly dividend. It was 88 cents in the beginning of 2022. They dropped it in May 2022 to 70 cents. It's still a pretty good yield of nearly 3%, which is 29% of their net income. There are 16 companies in the same industry as Lassonde, and Lassonde pays a pretty high dividend, 2.9%. That's even higher than Coca-Cola. I converted all the market caps to Canadian dollars, and they rank 12th out of 16 companies. They have a really good price to book, an amazing price of sales, also a really good PE, but since they have negative free cash flow because they have high CapEx, we can't look at their price to free cash flow. This is where the stock has been trading since 2002. Look how low the stock was before 2011, under $50. And you probably could have got it for below $20. Lots of selling activity back in 2002. A really high red bar, I wonder why. But from 2002 to 2018, the stock pretty much only went up. It hit almost $300 a share. But ever since that peak in the beginning of 2018, it's only come down. It looks like another significant decline during COVID. So it was about 120 in the very beginning of 2020, then it broke through 200 in the beginning of 2021, but it's come back down to under 100 again. So it could be a great time to get the stock, plus you get a pretty good dividend. So to summarize, I have them trading at a 23% discount. I rank their free cash flows 3 out of 10, their revenue 5 out of 10, and their ratio 7 out of 10. So let me know what you think. Give this video a like, subscribe, or comment below. Also, if you'd like to get a custom valuation or just support the channel, you can become a member by clicking on the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.